Good morning, guys, and welcome back. So I'm really excited because my package came in the mail. Aren't we always excited when we get our package in the mail? So I ordered these specialty bowls from a company all the way in Albuquerque, New Mexico. What? I think they actually came internationally, but I think they have a local processing center here in the U.S. Because when I checked the website, I want to say like these bowls came from all the way very far away. Very, very far away. I'll have to like do some more research to see exactly where. But I remember it was like a foreign country. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. I am excited. I came across this company, I think, on Instagram. Artesian. Environmentally friendly. Alright, I'm about to open this. I'm excited. Good morning, D. Hey, how are you? Good morning. I'm going to be mindful of the time here because I do have some patients to see. First patient I see is at 9 in the morning. Bright and early. Oh my gosh, this must be the utensils. So I got two free utensils. They really packaged this thing right, yo. They really did. Alright. Oh, look, it's so cute. It's so cute. All this paper. Alright, this is one. This is a regular raw coconut bowl. This is cute. Oh my gosh, handcrafted. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I can eat my yogurt out of this. I don't really eat yogurt that much though, but maybe some ice cream. I'm gonna set you right there. So I did ordered that bowl separate, and then I ordered this pack of bowls here. It's a pack of 3. Oh, this is cute. I have some raw coconut bowls, Rainforest bowls, all natural. So I'm going to be eating all these, and I'm going to actually try one on video this morning with you guys. I'm really excited. Yes, these are made from real coconut, handcrafted and carved, with nice finishing. This is the one I've been waiting for. The big one. Doesn't really have much of a smell. But I'm really excited. I'm happy with my purchase. This is what the bottom looks like. I'm so excited. Yes. are the utensils. Let's see what the utensils look like. I think I actually got a straw too. You know how you order stuff and you forget what the hell you ordered until you get it and you're like, oh, I remember, I ordered this. I remember now. Oh, these are too cute. So this is a hybrid of, I think it was coconut and what was the other materials? Coconut. I remember that these are hybrids. You like the second one the best? I wonder, can I eat with these? I'm gonna try to eat with the spoon this morning. I'm gonna test the spoon out. This is really, the handle is like so short. And then they have straws. These are nice. I'll use the straw next time I order a drink. I don't really drink from straws that much because I usually get bottled drinks. Yeah, the straws came free and the utensils I paid. So altogether, it was $44, including shipping, $5 shipping. I don't think they charge any tax. But yeah, I forget. There was a hybrid for the utensil pack. It was, what was it? It was coconut. You guys, I'm sorry. My mind is drawing a blank right now. But I'll look it up and I'll get that information to you guys. So I went out yesterday and bought some cereal specifically for this video. And not just that, because I'm going to eat it too. Yeah, check this out. These Lucky Charms. I'm like, what kind of Lucky Charms they got? They always have some new stuff coming out. So these are Lucky Charms made with frosted flakes, you guys. I think I'm going to try this one first. But I also got some Golden Crisp. I want to try all of these. I might be eating on cereal all day today because I'm working from home as usual. And then I got the regular Lucky Charms. I love Lucky Charms. It's like my favorite cereal. And funny thing is, like, I wasn't eating cereal that much. Especially, I don't even think I ate cereal back in LA at all. The past 4 years when I was in LA, I didn't eat any cereal. And I think I like kind of just started back eating cereal. I'm gonna try this one out. There we go. Some big frosted flakes. Yes, yes, yes. So I guess the frosted flakes replaced like the grain part of the Lucky Charms. All right. I didn't rinse the bowls out, but I'm not gonna die. Alright. That's enough. These boxes of cereal were like, I think, $5 each. So they were cheaper than the ones I bought like several weeks ago. Because I ended up paying like, I think, $7 or $8 for those. It's like, why did the price of cereal go up? And then I got some milk. And I was trying to see, was this whole milk? Like, did I get the right kind? But it says 100% real cow's milk. So this is the milk that I'm drinking with it. You say Golden Crisp is your favorite? So it says no hormones added, no antibiotics, pasteurized, homogenized. And oh, what's up, Fred? I see you. I see you, Fred. What's going on? trying out my Rainforest bowls. Not that much milk though. I don't like too much milk. Just enough to wet it. But I did pour a lot of cereal, so. Ooh. Alright. That is enough. Yes, whole milk. I know some people drink skim milk, almond milk. Listen, I am not vegan or vegetarian, okay? I love my meat. I'm about to bust out this shirt, y'all. Okay. These Frosted Flakes remind me of the knockoff Frosted Flakes. I forget what they were called. Y'all remember the knockoff Frosted Flakes? I don't think these are the real Frosted Flakes. But I wonder how those two companies like come together and strike that deal. Frosted Flakes inside Lucky Charms. Not bad. And my spoon is working. Oh, you guys, I think I remember the hybrid. So it's coconut and bamboo. So these utensils that I'm using, the spoon and then the fork, it's a hybrid between bamboo and coconut. I'm definitely going to get my use out of these too. It's alright. But honestly, this wouldn't be my first choice of cereal. Because Frosted Flakes just don't go with Lucky Charms. I'm used to eating the grains. The grainy cereal with the Lucky Charm. Not no freaking Frosted Flakes. Frosted Flakes are good just by themselves, okay? You don't need to put marshmallows in it. I get a half gallon of milk because milk, have you guys noticed that milk expires very quickly? Faster than it did when I was growing up. So, if I don't eat my cereal like frequently or on a daily basis, if I get a big gallon of milk, it's just going to expire. So I just got a half gallon. If I need to go back to the store, I could just walk down the street. Remember back in the day, we sit here and read the box while we eating? But it's not that interesting anymore because I'm not a kid anymore. This is more interesting to look at. Alright guys, I'm about to end this video. I'm really happy. With my bowls. I don't think I'm going to finish my cereal, guys. No. I don't think I'm going to finish it. But I ate most of it. Because the Frosted Flakes don't taste the same. I think I poured too much milk in here too. So, I don't want to finish it. Or maybe I can drink the milk with the straw. Let's see how the straws work. Oh, this is a really big ass straw. I can use this straw for when I make my smoothies in the blender, my fruit smoothies. My fruit and veggie smoothies. Let's try this. I think these are bamboo. Everything is natural. The straw works. I've sucked most of the milk. So I'm done. I know I'll catch you guys later. I want you guys to have a blessed day. Hopefully your day is as productive as mine. My day should be productive, but you guys know how it is, like when you are on holiday break and the transition of coming back to work. Oh, having to wake up. But I work from home, so I think it can be convenient working from home, but it also can be difficult and challenging because you really have to discipline yourself. Because like you're in your bed, you're like, the bed feels so good. I can just stay in the bed all day. It feels so good. And then you're like, oh, I gotta go see these clients. I got appointments. Like, oh, I got reports to finish. Like, oh. Alright. Enough of me having a pity party. He said AMSR. I know, right? I gotta get a better phone. I gotta get a better video. Like, I gotta upgrade. But I will catch you guys later. And you guys see my oil on my face. It's pretty much just Vaseline. I use Vaseline on my face. Nothing else works because my skin is sometimes dry, and anything else is just gonna dry my skin out. But I'll catch you guys later. Have a blessed day. Love you guys. Bye bye.